Hey guys, and welcome to 607 Ballbusters. Zach here, and got a unboxing video for you today, or maybe I should say an unbagging video, because I got an email that my order from Bowler's Mart was out for delivery today. Here it is. Looks like it got ran over. I don't know what this is. I don't remember ordering anything from Bowler's Mart, so it's bowling related somehow. So we're gonna open it together and find out what it is. Oh, I know what this is. I didn't realize this was coming Bowler's Mart. Considering it's technically Cool Wick, but not. It is the new Make Them Fly Belmonte. Pretty cool. I really like the colors on it. It does unfortunately have the Cool Wick logo on it, so it's a little conflict of interest, being that I am a staff member of Bowlify. It does have Cool Wick on the back, but that'll be covered by the hood, so you won't even see it. So I like it. Very comfortable, very soft, so I'm here for it. But anyway, that eases that confusion. I was very confused on what it was, but I remember ordering that now, and I actually didn't even get an email that it had shipped yet. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that kind of random unboxing video. Do have a couple other unboxing videos coming your way. You guys seem to like the unboxing videos, so I'm going to keep them coming. Maybe I can get the other guys to get on board if they have any packages as well. For 607 Ballbusters, I'm Zach. I'll be talking to you guys later. Peace.